Right now, I am shorting Bitcoin while we are seeing a significant dump getting created, and in this exact video, I will talk about the most important support for Bitcoin, and I will be exactly explain what is about to be happening next, because the market structure we are creating right now is super important to pay attention towards. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I will give an update on my trade, I will give an update on the price chart of Bitcoin, the momentum we're currently creating, and much more important stuff. And I will give a small little update on Ethereum. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we smash it back above 600? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the imminent short term. And like I've been saying for quite a while already, Bitcoin has been creating lower lows together with lower highs. So what are we currently? We're trading in a downtrend. And what do you want to be doing in a downtrend? You want to exactly short the previous support that is going to flip into resistance. So yesterday on my Telegram, I told everyone that I was going to be shorting this level right here, and like you can see here, big previous support flipping into resistance. I exactly shorted that level, and currently I'm making already more than $3,800 by just shorting this small little level. Right now Bitcoin is coming down, and we're actually starting to be approaching very big levels of support. I've been talking about that 28.8k to be the level that Bitcoin probably is going to be retesting, and currently we're doing so. But this is very important to pay attention towards. We are not seeing that strong of a reaction. Bitcoin isn't really bouncing so hard from it. Why? Is because we were already predicting this, because currently we can clearly see that the volume is drying up on every single move towards the upside. Less and less volume is coming in here. So what does this mean? There is less buying pressure, and you can clearly see it. There's almost no strong reaction from of this level. And right now, if we fail to hold on towards this level, there are two levels I'm going to be looking at next year. Personally, I don't think that we're going to hold on towards the level, and personally, I think we're going to see a bigger reversal, and we'll exactly talk about my targets in a moment from now on. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and I will also exactly explain why I think this is likely to happen. So what I think is going to be happening next if we break below the support is the 27.7k. Why? Is because you can clearly see big support right here, resistance, support. So this is an important level to be looking at, and I honestly think that this is the level where we will be seeing the first bigger reaction from. So 27.7k, it could be a level where you could be opening up a small long position. At least that's what I will be doing here, to scalp trade Bitcoin a little bit here, but already going to close it fairly quickly. If we do break below that level, the next target is 26.6k, and to be very honest, the ultimate target for Bitcoin in this movement towards the downside is $25,000 to $24,000. I think if we come down to $25,000, it's going to be a golden opportunity to be opening up a significant next Bitcoin long position. At least that is what I will be doing. Of course, I know $25,000 seems quite far away. It's like another 15% correction towards the downside, but I'm going to tell you it is possible. Why do I say it's possible? Because if I'm currently looking at the trend here, I already said it in the beginning of the video, and I've been saying this ever since we broke above the $30,000, right? So currently you can see first was an exponential movement, then the second movement was less exponential, and you can see also the times are becoming shorter and shorter. So we're in somewhat of a parabolic run up, and parabolic is always tend to end at some point here. And how you know when a parabolic is going to be ending is once the moves are becoming less exponential, and more importantly, once the volume is drying up here. And currently we can see the estimation from the moving average on the volume is coming down significantly, and this chart is the Bitcoin index. So we are looking to all exchanges combined, all the volume for Bitcoin combined. So this is definitely the exchange to be looking at if you want to be measuring the volume. But you can see that the volume is coming lower and lower, what means that we're currently seeing that the buying pressure is getting dried up. And due to the fact that the moves are becoming less and less exponential, I wouldn't be surprised to see a cool phase before potentially having that next spike towards the upside, right? And where the big support really is going to come in for Bitcoin is really going to be the $24,000 to $25,000. So that is exactly the level where I want to be opening up my next big trade for Bitcoin. So currently I am short on Bitcoin indeed, and I'm looking to take some more profits off the table. Once Bitcoin comes down to 27.7k, I'm going to take some profits off, etc, etc. But this currently, it's like a $4,000 trade. My next big trade will be a long position, and I've been saying this for quite a while right now here. I am still going to be very patient, but my next long position is going to be gigantic, and it will be around the $26,000 to $24,000 region for Bitcoin. So I'm going to be a little bit more patient. We have to wait, but waiting is part of the game for trading Bitcoin. Currently, we can see that actually Bitcoin is trading on very important 12-hour support. If we break below this support box right here, yeah, we're going to definitely have problems for Bitcoin. and we potentially could see that movement towards the downside really kick in here for Bitcoin, and probably it's going to be a very sharp movement as well. If I still will be looking at my analysis of the pure momentum, we can currently see that Bitcoin is creating on the price chart a higher high, while in fact on the RSI we're creating a lower high, and while in fact on the MACD we're creating a lower high, and it can take even more momentum indicators that are also indicating we're currently creating a lower high. And this is of course currently indicating that the momentum is drying up for Bitcoin and that we could see a small little reversal right here. So make sure to be warned. This is still a warning signal. I've been warning everyone exactly on $31,000. I've been warning everyone right now. I've been warning everyone yesterday, and it will still be doing so because probably this will lead towards a continuation, because out of my experience of trading Bitcoin for already 6 years here, I do know these market structures. If you want to becoming successful in trading Bitcoin, you have to know on how to read market structures. So that is why I'm warning everyone out there. For the long term, I'm extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Every single day, I keep buying more Bitcoin on spot, but for my trades, I am patient, and I will be playing out exactly on how I'm predicting Bitcoin is going to be playing out next year. So currently we do know 12-hour bearish divergence, the daily time frame for Bitcoin as well, creating a bearish divergence right here. And if you're looking at the weekly time frame, many people are already saying across whole YouTube, oh, Bitcoin, it flipped bullish. We broke above $30,000. Now the bull market is back. No, it is not. Because what is important to be knowing if you're trading Bitcoin is that the weekly close is really the level to break here. So the 31.7K is really the level to break for Bitcoin. And currently we are seeing literally a rejection by this level. It's a super important level to break above of. And currently we're not breaking above of it so far. Yes, I believe we are going to break above it, but not at this moment right here. So we can see also on the 2-week time frame, the level to break 31.7K, as long as we're not breaking above it, we are officially not breaking bullish, and you can currently see that we're actually seeing quite a significant rejection. And my forecast, I've been talking about it for quite a while here. Let me go to the 3-day time frame, or the daily time frame here, is that Bitcoin is going to see a small little correction towards the downside. Many people will be getting panicked right here and probably think, oh, we are doomed, we're probably going to go lower, and then we see that significant exponential rally towards the upside. And at that point, it will go very fast. And that is why I will be very patient right now and load up on the next movement down here to catch, of course, the next big rally for Bitcoin. Maybe, I could be wrong. Maybe Bitcoin has already seen its rejection towards the downside, and this is the low we've been forming, and we're going to be bouncing from off this point, what could be also very likely, since yes, this is of course a very big level of support, but if not, it's going to be around $25,000 to $26,000. So there are two scenarios, and I'm going to be anticipating both, because once Bitcoin confirms the break above 31.7K, if we're going to go up right now here, I'm also still going to be opening up a long position. So no matter what happens, I'm going to be winning anyway with this strategy that I currently have in mind. The only thing I'm currently doing is putting my risk extremely low, so I am more guaranteed to win from the scenario rather than lose. So if you are actually also interested in trading Bitcoin or trading altcoins, what is actually an extremely big opportunity right now, don't forget to check out the link in the description, because if you sign up an account on Bybit right now, using the link in the description, you can claim a deposit bonus up to $30,000. And without using this link, you can only claim a deposit bonus up to $4,000. So make sure to check it out if you're interested in trading. It's a win-win situation, so make sure to check it out right now here. And looking at Ethereum, yes, I've been saying it as well. Everyone was flipping bullish on Ethereum because we were breaking above this previous high right here. But I said it as well, the level to break is this previous low on the market right here. And you can clearly see we got a gigantic reaction from off this level again. So I'm going to say it again. My next level to be buying Ethereum is going to be around $1,700 and $1,720 approximately, where I really think Ethereum could be seeing a very, very strong bounce. Why? Is because that level right here, big support in the past, big resistance here, also almost touched it here as well, big support right here. So if Ethereum really continues the downtrend, of course currently we're still trading in a small little uptrend right here, but if we do break it, the next target is 1720, and that is really the point where I really want to be buying more in towards Ethereum. Of course, Ethereum has seen a significant decreasement, especially if you compare to Bitcoin. And if you're actually looking at the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, you can actually see potentially this Ethereum run-up could come towards an end, because currently we can see that the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin daily resistance has also really once again seen a rejection, and maybe this is a signal that we could see a continuation of this movement towards the downside. And on the weekly time frame, we can really see it is really calm before the storm. It could definitely take a little bit more time here before Ethereum is really going to see a breakout here from off this pattern, but currently we can see that we're creating somewhat of a consolidation phase, and Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair is probably going to be breaking out in the coming 10 weeks ahead of ourselves, but not necessarily today. So it could take some more consolidation before it really is happening. But yeah, make sure to keep your eyes wide open. My target to be buying a lot of Ethereum is 1720. I definitely will be buying more here. I will definitely do so because I do believe Ethereum is going to be performing very well in the end of this year. Because yeah, then the update for the roll-ups is going to come out, and they will make roll-ups 10 times more efficient. So it's definitely a good long-term investment. But anyways, that was it for me in today's update video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends if you want them to not lose in this market, and if you want them to learn something. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.